I'm Greg Shapiro, and let's queer up entertainment. Elton John, David Furnish lose High Court privacy case against Daily Mail publisher. Elton John and his husband David Furnish have lost a High Court privacy case against the publisher of the Daily Mail after failing to prove allegations of unlawful information gathering. The couple were among 7 claimants, including Prince Harry, Sadie Frost, and Elizabeth Hurley, who accused the publisher of breaching their privacy through illegal news-gathering practices. Elton and the others say the newspapers published details about the birth of their son through surrogacy, including his birth certificate, before the couple had received their own copy. The paper denied all allegations, calling them lurid and preposterous. In a 436-page judgment, Justice Nicklin ruled the claims were not supported by sufficient evidence and could not rely on suspicion even where understandable. The judge also accepted that the journalists gave lawful explanations for the sourcing of the articles in question. He further found that claimants failed to prove allegations that 3 senior staff members lied during the inquiry about unlawful activity at the newspapers. You know, that's that thing. You know, we're entertainment, we're journalists, entertainment journalists, and it's like I'm acutely aware of the urgency when it comes to a case like this. And I mean, I think it comes down to just maintaining a level of respect. I mean, isn't the Daily Mail more like a tabloid?
The Daily Mail is really gross and unethical in a lot of different effing ways. Yes. Okay, this is like the first. Okay, the reality is that there's no evidence, which is why they, you know, at the end of the day, they don't care how famous you are. You know what I mean? If there's no evidence, there's no evidence. Right. You know what I mean? Just being suspicious is not enough.
But I mean, you'd think their lawyer would have done a better, like Furnish and Elton John's lawyer would have done a better.
Well, yeah, and Prince Harry was a party to the case.
Ridiculous. It's incredible. Yep. Yeah.
You know, for the Daily Mail to call the accusations lurid, well, they would know what they're talking about.
They know, right?
They know what lurid is. But, you know, and yes, the Daily Mail has some dodgy stories sometimes. But the fact is, there is a very high bar to prove that a story was obtained illegally. There's a reason that we protect our sources. And I don't care, Greg, whether it's entertainment journalism. I mean, it's just journalism is journalism.
Sure, of course.
And so there's a high bar for a reason. So as much as we need to respect personal privacy, but there's also a story to be told. And so I'm going to side on the air on this. I'm going to err on the side of sunshine always.
There is no other queer nonprofit media platform like this in the entire world. Support our LGBTQ stories by sharing them and subscribing to Queer News Tonight.